In this video, we'll see how you can sign up with a new WhatsApp Business API account. Click on this down arrow and then click on Create New WABA. If a pop-up doesn't open when you click on Create New WABA, kindly use Google Chrome browser and then click on Login with Facebook. Now you need to log in with your Facebook personal account and you need to ensure that your account is an old account. Now if you already have a business registered with Facebook, or a Meta business account, then you can simply select it from drop down, and if you will not have it, Facebook will give you option to fill all these details, so you can basically sign up a new Meta business account in the same pop-up. Now click on next. Now from here choose a WhatsApp business account option. Kindly select create a new WhatsApp business account. In most of the cases, if you're a new customer with us, this would be selected by default. Then click on next. Now kindly enter a WhatsApp business account name and a display name. The display name should be similar to your legal name or your website domain. With this, kindly select an appropriate category for your for your WhatsApp Business API account. Now kindly enter an active HTTPS website URL. This should have 1 or 2 pages by default. If it is an upcoming website or invalid URL, then WhatsApp will ban your number. Now kindly enter and request for an OTP. You need to enter your mobile number. This number should not be on WhatsApp. If it is on WhatsApp, you need to go to WhatsApp settings and then my account and then delete my account. Please note, if you delete your WhatsApp account, all your WhatsApp mobile chat data will be lost. So it's better to have a separate number for this, or delete your account from your mobile app and then request for an OTP. If by any chance you're not receiving the OTP in 1 or 2 minutes, kindly try again, maybe after few hours. At times even Meta goes down while sending the OTP. Once you have received your OTP, kindly enter the same and click on next. Once the OTP has been verified, click on finish. The pop-up will automatically close and you'll get the option to select a WABA from drop down. So if you have more than one WhatsApp Business API account with us, you can have multiple options in the drop down to select. You need to select any one, click on save selection. Once the registered WABA has been mapped in our system, you'll see that the name will automatically change. Now if you click on this view icon and then you go to the general details, you will see that the number status still shows pending. To ensure that your number is fully connected with WhatsApp API account, you need to click on this 3 dots and click on 2-factor authentication and enter any 6-digit PIN. You need to remember this PIN for future and then click on register. Once you have set the 2-factor authentication and then you'll go to the general details option, you will see that the number is now connected. So this is how you can register with a WhatsApp Business API account. Thank you.